So we're visiting Great Yarmouth today. It is the Great Yarmouth Wheels Festival. I've heard a few mixed things online. Some people are saying it's not biker friendly. Some people are saying there is bikes. Some people are saying the bikes are parked way away from the show. So I figured, fuck it, let's just go check it out for ourselves. I think it's more aimed at cars, but I want to go see what it's like for bikes. It's not really clear because the show's that way. Sorry, bud. Where's the parking for motorbikes?
Literally right down by the pleasure beach.
So that way, yeah?
Yeah, so if you go down, literally long straight road all the way down.
Beautiful. Awesome, thanks bud. Oh. Morning. Where's the best place to go for motorbike parking?
Right, just bear me. Have you got just you or there's
It's just me. I've got no friends. Cool, thank you. I feel like a VIP. Downside is I'm on my own. Just stick it here, yeah? Cool, no worries, brother. Thanks for that. Right, let's get sorted. think that's it. Oh, you guys enjoy. Have a good one. There you go, it was biker friendly. There's loads of bikes, loads of room for bikes. They made more room for bikes.
So it's definitely worth a visit. It was a brilliant day out. It did feel like it was leaning towards like the more car side of things, but there was loads and loads of bikes all parked up on like the on the front, and they had old school cars, they had new school cars, and what Pabby trip wouldn't be completed without a minion taunting me in a window and ending the day with a hot dog. It was very, very good. I strongly recommend going if you're thinking about it next year. If you're into cars, bikes, whatever with wheels, go check it out. If you like the video, please leave a like and a comment. Take care.